Welcome back everyone. In this part, we'll have a look on how to interact with detected planes and how to place a portal on top of them. The player can place the portal by touching the screen, and the hit position has to be inside one of the tracked planes. First, create a folder called 3D. Import portal.fbx. I've created this door in 3ds Max. The link to download it is provided in the description. Drag and drop the door into the scene. You can see that the door is now nicely placed at the center. As an initial state, we want our door to be hidden, so let's disable it for now. Let's add the logic that will draw the door when the user touches the screen. Open ARController.cs. The first thing to do is to check if the user touched the screen. No need to continue the execution of the update function if there was no interaction. At this point, we know that the phone screen has been touched. Let's check if the user touched any of the tracked planes. The class frame of ARCore has a method called raycast that returns true if we hit any trackable object. It accepts as parameters the touch coordinates in screen space. The type of collision. In this case, we will be using plane within polygon, which means that a collision will only happen if the touch coordinates are inside the convex bounding polygon of any tracked planes. The last parameter is of type trackable hit. It contains information about the raycast hit. Now let's place the portal on top of the tracked plane that got hit. Add a public variable named portal. We will assign the door game object to this variable later. The portal game object is by default disabled. Let's first enable it. To do that, you have to use the function setActive of the class game object. Anchors get updated continuously as the understanding of the surrounding environment improves. In order to also update the position of our portal, we have to create an anchor using pose from trackable hit. To create an anchor, we use the method createAnchor of the class trackable. Set the position and rotation of the portal. Now, let's set the portal so that it will always face the camera when we first place it on screen. We need first to have access to the AR camera. Get camera position. We want the portal to only rotate around the y-axis. To do that, we have to set the camera position to be in the same y-coordinate as the portal position. Don't forget that portal position is the same as the hit position. We will now use the function lookat of the class transform to rotate the portal around the y-axis. Now let's attach the portal game object to the anchor so that its coordinates can get updated automatically when ARCore updates the anchor. Let's go back to the editor and attach the camera and the portal to the AR controller script. If you build the device, you should be able now to place the door on top of any tracked plane. If you want to test your game in editor, make sure that your device is connected to your machine and run the game on editor. But before that, you have to add the following line of code to AR controller so that editor can also intercept touch inputs from your device. This will be the end of this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next part.